Yo, what's going on, man? I'm back with another update. They got a few updates in the crib, so we about to go check it out right now. They got the HVAC roughings done. They got the plumbing roughings done. So they said next week they want to get the electricity rough ends done. Yeah, so they said by the I don't remember if they said the first week. The first week of February they're gonna put in our windows. And then I'm pretty sure the next week after that they're gonna put our drywalls up. You know what I'm saying? So we moving along here. So we heading to the house right now. I'm gonna show y'all around a little bit again. Give y'all another tour again because I feel like the first tour I gave y'all was the camera's kind of shaky. I didn't really like it too much. So yeah. So stay tuned. Yo, we back, man. Walking up in here. You see what's popping. Don't you fall in that hole right there. Right here, we back in the foyer. Like you ain't just getting hit with the living room. You getting hit with a little hallway action right here. Give me some office action right here. Office action. Yeah. It's a living room area right here. Living room. Like I said, it's tour number 2. Just give y'all another tour. Okay, gonna be the kitchen right here. Gonna have like a 8-foot, 9-foot island right here. Got some nice cabinets over here. It's gonna be a little pantry right here. Water heater gonna be over here. Gonna have the half bathroom right here. Oh man, 2 door garage. A little walkway right here. It's gonna be having the laundry room. Nice size pantry in this area. Gonna have the double doors back here. It's gonna be a nice open floor plan. I'm going up the steps. We do have a window right there. I guess the workers got cold, so they try to shut it off. Shut it down so they can work in peace. We're gonna have a stairwell right here, which was an upgrade. Hey, that window right there, upgrade also. Look, we got a tub. It's gonna be the kids' bathroom. Oh yeah, so they got some HVAC rough-ins, I guess is what this is, and some plumbing rough-ins done. And right now I'm standing right here. It's gonna be our foyer. It's gonna be our kicking spot right here. It's gonna be the foyer, huh? Yeah. All right. It's gonna be Nova's room right here. Nice size room right here. Nice window right there. And each room will have a walk-in closet. It's gonna be a walk-in closet right here. Kids' bathroom. So we Caden's room right here, my son's room. Like this room, Rock's got the 3 windows. But again, they got them all blocked off to block that cold front. He's also gonna have a walk-in closet. Everybody gonna have a walk-in closet. Nice spacious closet. The owner's suite right here. Pretty nice side room. It's nice size. We also gonna have we got a big walk-in closet right here. We can fit the whole family up in here. At least probably fit 10 people in here effortlessly. All right, give you guys a little quick tour again. We'll have windows right here that got to shut off. Keep the air from getting through. It's gonna be the only suite bathroom. We're gonna have here's a her sink over here. You know what I'm saying? We got the combo bath and shower. At first it's supposed to be like just a shower, but we wanted the combo. Well, I rather just had a shower, but she wanted her bathtub, so we got the bathtub. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be lit when it's all done. I can't wait. But yeah, they all types of, what they call these rough-ins. Stuff going on in the ceiling. Back down these steps.
Like, that's why I said I think our bathtub is.
Yeah. That's what
So if we ever spring a leak, in our bathroom, knock on wood, we'll know because
the ceiling gonna
it'll run through here. But look,
get low.
Washer and dryer. They put that into the dryer so we know where everything's gonna go. Like the washer has to be here because the dryer's gonna be here. When I was coming down the stairs, I was pretending like, oh, somebody at the door.
Oh, who's at the door?
Like, oh, we coming downstairs real quick to my beautiful view, running to grab the door real fast. I'm going back to the car.
Oh, shoot. It's too muddy out here. I'm gonna give you a little backside view, but I'm sinking like quicksand. Yo, that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? I'm back at the house we renting right now. You know what I'm saying? I want to show y'all the coldest Xbox Series X. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. I got this for Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Fiance hooked me up with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. We seen the HVAC rough ends. We seen the plumbing rough ends. And by next week, they say gonna put the electric rough ends in. So at first I was like, what the heck is a rough ends? But we went to go see. We seen for ourselves what they are. But thank y'all for watching, man. And hopefully, man, we'll be back next week. You feel me? Y'all stay blessed, man. Peace. I'm out of here. I'm tired. Oh, my head.